Welcome to my blog. So in today's video, we will fix the scratches that is on the window panel of my car. Someone threw a stone, and I usually park my car in the school parking lot, and it's inevitable that children would come and play around the car. And sometimes they would also play with each other and threw stones, and they would not mind that there's a car that's around them. So, but I think that I scolded a student that same day. I've been parking my car for a long time and for a year now. But seems that that very day I scolded a child in grade 8, and then yeah, it's actually my student scolded. And then when I come back to my parking lot, there is a scratch now on my car, on my window panel, at the same time a few scratches on the paint. So I know that I don't have evidence that it was my student whom I scolded, but according to my instinct, I think it is him who did it to my car. Because it's been a long time that I've been parking there, but there was no scratches whatsoever for a year. But that same day, there was a scratch. So there's no other than him. So I bought this window panel cover from Lazada. And I will cover the scratches on my window pillar. We'll go to the window pillar of my car, and then I'll show you where that scratches is located. Okay, so here is the Nissan Almera. Okay, so as you can see, there is a scratch here. This is what I'm talking about. So, through a stone, my car was covered with a car cover, but when I checked the car cover, there was no scratches in it. But when I uncover it, when I uncover the car, there's a scratch. So someone really did this on purpose. And it's not that accidental. Also, over here, I covered this with tape. This is another scratch that same day. And it's very deep. So I have to cover it so that the rainwater would not get inside. So I covered it with the plastic tape. So I removed the plastic tape and we'll try to install this on the window panel. As for this one, maybe we need to plaster it and then paint it, but that would be another story. So we will just focus on this. Okay, let's try to install this window panel, which I bought from Lazada. Okay, so let's open it. Here it is. We'll open. There are 6 panels in this cellophane. 4 great panels and 2 small panels. You can see from this package. So this is for the smaller window panel, and this one for the, 2 big window panels. Let's go and see if it fits the Nissan Almera. We will get the first panel and cut it according to the size of the first window panel. As you can see, I grabbed a scissor and cut it and according to the figure of the first window panel. Then we will remove the sticker on this the color red is the sticker. Okay, and then put it on the window panel. So if you are satisfied, you can now put it on and then push it so that it will stick to the window panel. Then there is another cellophane that wraps outside this panel. Just remove it. Okay, we are now on the second panel. We will cut it according to the shape of the second panel that we will be putting on. Okay, so just trace how the shape looks like. Okay, so using a scissor, it's easily cut using a scissor. So just follow the trace of it. It's very cheap to buy on Lazada, and there are a lot of products that you can see on Lazada, and this one is just worth 200 pesos. I think so. It is 200 pesos. I already forgot. I bought this last December, and I did not immediately install it because I was lazy doing so. I love to eat and sleep during the vacation. So as you can see, I put the same way that you did, the same method, the first panel. If you're satisfied with the shape, then you can now put it on the second panel. Remove the color red sticker that sticks on the inside of it, and then slowly you will have to remove it in such, as you can see on the video, in such a way that it aligns on both ends, up, down, left, and right. Okay, so just push it so that it will stick. Do not remove. This is what I learned from the first patch. Do not immediately remove all the color red sticker. Slowly, you put it on the small portion of the patch, and then remove a little bit of that color red. And then slowly, as you move upward, slowly, and then using your hand, you push it and then remove, then push and then push it so that it will stick, and then remove the color red just like that. And after you're done, you can remove the outer layer as well. The color red that I'm talking about is the inner layer of this sticker. Okay, this one is the third window panel, the small window panel. As you can see, there are 4 big panels and 2 small panels. Okay, so I already cut it. I didn't show on the video. I cut it so that it will, follow the shape of the window panel. So I slowly remove the inner color red and then the outer color red. We are now on the left side of the car window, and this one is the third big window panel. So I already cut it. I didn't show on the video, but I already cut it according to the shape and according to the rain visor. Okay, so I slowly remove from lower portion down to the middle and to the upper portion, slowly remove the inner color red sticker and then patch it on, slowly push it, so that it will stick. And then slowly remove the color red, just like what we did on the second and the third panel a while ago. And then remove the outer layer as well. So the same thing as you will do on the fourth one, the fourth big panel. So you just have to cut it first and then follow the shape, then remove the color red inner layer and then push it, and then just follow the alignment on the end and follow the window panel, and then just follow what I did on the video and then remove the outer layer. The same thing, this one is the last panel. I'm so excited what it look like at the end of this video. So just do it the same way I did on the other smaller panel. Okay, I put it on to shape and then remove the color red inner layer and the outer layer. This one is shiny and shimmering now, which is much better than its original faded version of the stock window pillar. Clear to see in the camera on the improvement of the pillar windows. But I assure you the product is very nice. It is shiny and shimmering. It's like you're looking on the mirror. You will not regret buying this from Lazada. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. Click on the notification bell icon to get notified on our future innovations or future improvements on our Nissan Almera, and also any videos that is related to automotive or car, or more particularly the Nissan Almera. How to fix it, how to DIY, fix anything on the Nissan Almera. Okay, so if you have any suggestions, comments, don't hesitate, leave a comment down below. Okay, see you on the next one. Goodbye.